Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia G21 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar at the very top. On the third position from the right, we've got the timer option, which is, as you can see, this icon is, let's say, crossed out, which means that the timer option is off. So after tapping on the shutter button, your device will take photo immediately after that. So in order to set the timer, just tap on this icon, and as you can see, we've got two different options. So we've got 3 and 10 seconds delay. Basically, all you have to do right now is to simply tap on the one you'd like to use. So I will pick 10, and as you can see, the icon changed slightly. So right now we can check which countdown we've got set. What's more, it is highlighted in this bluish color. So let me tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and simply after that time it will take a photo. Alright, let's check the 3 seconds delay, but it will... Sorry, that was a mistake and misclick also. The 3 seconds delay, and as you can see, the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 3. Of course, you can turn it off just by tapping on this icon. So actually, this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your Nokia G21. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.